Hello.
Hello. Welcome to our...
Look, it says, do you want to tag Amanda Danielle in this video?
I think you should. Are we
Tag. We're on.
on? Wine and cooking lessons with Manders
And Limelight
and
Lori.
Limelight Lori.
Okay.
So,
She showed me a new way.
I've lived way too long trying to figure out how to make the perfect fried egg. And I did not know that basted eggs existed. I don't know if any of you knew that basting eggs existed, but it's amazing. It makes them perfect.
This is my daughter.
Hi.
This is Amanda. My
Hi.
daughter. We're having a game night.
Game night. We're playing some Rummy Cube.
She
Drinking wine.
She wanted popcorn.
Now we're eating eggs.
I passed my Instant Pot and I said, oh my gosh, I made boiled eggs. You've never had a boiled egg until you've had one from your Instant Pot. It, like, the shell just falls off.
But that's not why we're here.
It's the coolest thing. No, this is why we decided to do
the
this.
eggs.
And then
Okay.
she said, oh, do you want to baste an egg?
And she said, what's that? Is it like marinating it? And I laughed. Okay, so what you need to baste an egg, which is the perfect way to make the egg, you need a pan.
Turn the camera on. So you need a pan.
You need a pan. You need butter. It could be slightly butter. I can't believe it's not butter. Regular butter. What? That's not butter? I don't know. Some kind of butter. 1/4 cup of water. Salt and pepper to taste. And if you're like me, I like to put some Tabasco sauce on it. Look at this teeny tiny little thing of Tabasco. Is this not the cutest thing you've ever seen?
It's adorable.
It's little bitty.
It's teeny tiny.
So salt, pepper, water, an egg, and some butter. So
And apparently a glass of wine.
and a glass of wine.
Because that helps it all better.
And it makes it look prettier.
Exactly. Okay, so this is basting an egg. And this
This
is
basting
super-
an egg. So you warm it up to a low heat.
Okay, so we need a
Low
little
to
bit.
medium.
Let's do it a little bit like there.
Okay.
We'll do it like there.
All right.
Okay, it's good.
And it should be warm enough to put the butter.
Y'all aren't going to believe this. She showed me
It's
this.
crazy.
And
And you've got to have a lid on your pan.
I was a doubter.
So it's all about containing the heat.
I was a doubter until I saw it actually with my own eyes. Okay, so we're going to put a little butter in
So a
here.
little bit of butter. You let that melt.
This is seriously cool. Stay to the end because it's really cool.
All right, but you said that because I am really awful at
Hey,
cracking
Holly.
eggs.
Hey, Patty, Claire. Hey, Brittany.
Maybe instead of
Hey,
learning
Nikki and Sherry and Patricia and Kelly.
Maybe
I'm sorry.
instead of like learning how to make the eggs, I first need to learn how to crack an egg without breaking the yolk.
So this is what you do. You do it on the edge of the pan. She cracked it here.
Here, I'm gonna let you do this.
Oh, Lordy.
Okay, so you wanna put it in the middle of the butter.
In the middle of the butter. Okay.
Yes.
So if you go like the edge like that, see, then you have a nice little thing. You break the membrane, and then you go, wah!
Insane in the membrane. Okay,
I got a little
so what
piece
you're
of-
gonna do is once it starts to, well, first of all, you're gonna put a little bit of salt and pepper in there.
We're going to take that little piece of eggshell out because nobody wants to eat that.
Okay, perfect.
Okay,
Um,
watch.
I
This
need-
is the cool part.
Okay, so
I'll hold it for him.
okay, so I'm gonna put a teeny bit of Tabasco just because I like a little bit of kick in
See
mine.
that thing behind his ear?
Hold on, we're on live.
Say hi, honey.
Do you have
Hi,
pants on?
Hi, honey.
He has
Just
hi.
make sure you have pants on. Okay, hold on.
Okay.
All right, so then
Is it hot enough?
Yeah, it's hot enough. All right, so it
She
started.
poured the water in
I
there.
poured a 1/4 cup of water in there, and then I cover it, and I'm gonna turn up the heat a little bit.
So basically, when she poured the water in, it made the egg float.
Yeah.
Who does that? Who said that?
And this way, you don't have to flip the egg. It cooks it all the way through. So when you put the lid on there, you let it sit for like a minute and a half, depending on how yellow you like your, or how runny you like your yellow. But yeah, and then you
So,
can kind of watch
Patty
the
Claire says that she loves eggs, and Patricia says that she does this for eggs ranchero. Oh my gosh, I bet you would love that.
Oh, yes.
You can make that, don't
Oh,
you?
see, it's boiling a little bit.
Okay,
and-
look. Take a look. Can you, well, you
Yeah.
can't.
Yeah.
No, it's okay.
You
We
can take it. Okay, so it's, yeah.
See how it's boiling? And then it just sort of lifts the egg off the bottom. This is great, too, because then your egg doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan.
It doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan, and also you're not having to flip it because it cooks it all the way through, and you don't have to worry about busting the yolk by flipping it. This is changing my life, you guys.
For real, and she showed me, and then she cut into it
A little bit.
once it got on the plate, and I couldn't believe
Oh,
how
yeah.
perfect, like perfection. Isn't it cool? We had the pan super hot earlier on the first one we tried, where she actually cracked the yolk, and I just couldn't believe how fast it was. Look, you can see the egg. Look at the egg yolk starting to already turn. You see that? That is super. Oh my gosh! Look at that. So it's based. Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
So is it ready?
No, we're gonna let it get a little bit. I mean, you can kind of tell whenever you look at the top of it.
Yeah.
It's still a little bit translucent. You want it to be.
We don't like our white runny at all.
Yeah.
It's slimy. That's not even what you call runny. That's slimy. So we want it on long enough so that the white on the egg solidify, like cooks full all the way through.
Yeah, but
the
you
yellow,
want a little bit. Okay, we want to do it a little bit more.
Okay, just a little bit more, and then we're going to show you what it looks like to cut into it.
Where's the other?
Neil, we're showing how to baste an egg.
Hold on one second.
Hey, Allison and Michael and Maureen and Stacy and Alicia, Monica, and Holly and Phyllis. Okay, we're about done. She's getting the flatware and it's about done. Okay, you ready?
Okay, so then you take this off.
It just lifts right off. No, go under.
Look at that.
It's so perfect. And then you can cut into it and show.
I'll put a little bit more salt and pepper.
Whoa!
And
Look at that perfect egg.
it's gorgeous. Oh, yeah.
My goodness. And it does it tastes good. Like it's not overcooked.
And you don't have to worry about the burnt edges around it like you do with a
Right.
fried egg. I mean, it's basically a fried egg and a boiled egg combined because you're boiling it in water, but poached and fried.
Poached. Yes.
Yeah.
So that's
So
cool.
anyway.
So where do you-
There you have it.
Yes, Monica, catch the replay. And try it, Patty Claire. Catch the replay. She put the egg in butter, but then she poured a quarter of a cup of
Once
water.
it started solidifying, you pour the water around it.
And it lifts the egg off the bottom of the pan.
And you're not having to flip it. You can just watch it finish cooking.
Yeah, you just put the lid on top and you can watch it. And if you have a clear lid, it's fine because then you can actually watch it happening. So cool. Okay. Thank you for joining us. Everybody try it. And when you try it, post in this thread and tell us how it worked. Holly, I know you'll try it.
It's so easy. Yeah, you're cooking in water and butter.
Cool. Okay.
Not,
All right.
not flipping. You're just cooking with the lid on.
Right.
The lid, I'm not sure. The
Smell,
lid
little girl.
is science.
It's my little girl. My little boy. Just pull your head away. Ben. So Ben and I do lives at night.
Mhm.
He takes my makeup off and stuff like that. But he is at a friend's house. So Amanda is my child doing it with me tonight. My adult child. Okay, y'all. Thanks for joining us. Bye.
Bye.